Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video every day, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell so you know the time I release a video. We're gonna do a comparison for, are you ready? Estee Lauder Holiday Box versus Lancome Holiday Box, and see which one's better and which one's worth the money. Let's get started. I want to introduce you my own skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. I recently did the Lancome Beauty Box review. Lots of people really interesting. I was kind of shocked how many people like Lancome product, and so I went ahead got another one. It's from the Estee Lauder, and that was just released 2 days ago. I'm gonna put both video down below so you can check it out. So today is really talking about the difference between those two boxes and which one is the better. And just so you know, I want to share something with you very important, that anytime when you hear a blogger say, I think this is better, I think this is what I like, keep in mind that opinion is really focused on individual blogger, their needs, their concerns, their lifestyle. It may not be applied to you. So always consider what is important to you. Don't just listen to me or other blogger and make decision based on that. This is just kind of a reference, that's all. Okay, so the Lancome box says right here, Lancome Beauty Box featured 9 full-size favorites, and it's a value at $440. With any $42 Lancome purchase, you can buy this beauty box for $75 and value at $440. And so that's really great. So they are giving all full-size product here. You can see all the items right here. You will get a box. You can get a Genifique mask, 1 piece, serum for eyes, serum for face, the Renergie multi-action ultra cream, sunblock with sunblock SPF 30, Bifacil makeup remover, Definisil mascara, cell booster for lashes, and then the fragrance, lipsticks, and a face and eye palette. So all those things right here. I've been using this for a while now, so I can quickly let you know what I think about this. So I've been using the Genifique already for almost a month. This is almost empty now, and this is 1 ounce, and this is full size. I have to say I don't see any major difference, but remember I told you guys this, if you don't have any major skin concerns, you're most likely not going to see any change on the skin, right? So that's what I want to tell you. So now I want to quickly take a look what exactly is Genifique for. It's more, to me, it's more like it says right here, improve radiance in 7 days. And I gotta tell you, I've actually been using this every night for over 7 or 10 days now. I do not see any radiance on my skin. I don't know why. It feels really good. I don't have any irritation. It basically doesn't do anything for my skin, honestly. I heard so much amazing thing about Genifique, but just not, I guess it's just not for me. Sometimes skincare, it may be good for someone else, but doesn't mean it's good for you. And then you guys know I use a very generous amount, and it has a really fragrance sense in there. It's not bad. I mean, you know, like obviously when I put it on my hand, you can see a little sheen to it, but once they penetrate in there, it just all absorb completely. So will I buy this again? Probably not, because I just don't see any for my skin at all. And then what's really cool is the Genifique Eye and Lashes. I didn't even know this is also for lashes until just I think yesterday somebody commented in my channel the video. So thank you so much for letting me know. I didn't know it was that. And I use this, and the Genifique Eye reduce multiple signs of aging around the eye, reduce puffiness, make your eyes brighter. I also don't see any of that, so I'm probably not gonna buy this. Especially this is serum, so you still need to put moisturizer on top. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know why I don't see any difference, But I swear, I see so many amazing reviews. If you use this, you love this, leave a comment below because it's important what other people can see your feedback on this. So these are the full-size product. I mean, I tried it, it was okay. However, I do love the Renergie Multi-Actions Ultra Moisturizer with SPF 30. Let me show you. Almost half empty now. I like this cream because it's rich but not sticky, and with SPF 30 in there, and I don't really smell SPF 30, so that's why I like it. What I don't like sometimes when you buy skincare with smell very heavy duty sunblock, so I don't really care for that. So I like this, and I also like the Definition Mascara by Facel Eye Makeup Remover. Obviously, I don't use their face and eye palette, but let me show you this here. So this is the 4. I tried to swatch before. It was not that good of a quality. Kind of, you can even see on this the palette surface, it kind of raw off a little bit. So I think this is pretty not that great quality, but it has a nice fragrance right here. So do I still think this is the good deal, Lancome? I don't know anymore, because in the beginning, if you look at the value, you spend $45, you can get this for $75. That sounds really fantastic, right? Then you get all this full-size item here. It sounds really, really good. But bottom line is that just because they're a good deal, they're a full-size product, but if it's not for your skin, then it's not going to benefit you. So the good thing is that I only spent $75. Wait, $75 spent? So it's not like I'm paying. Imagine I have to buy all this separately. That will cost a lot more money. So for that purpose, I think it's great, you know. You spend $75, you can try everything. And if I don't like it, it's not a total loss either, because I love this. There's a couple things I like, so money is totally worth it. And as far as the bag goes, nobody used this. I mean, this is just, I don't know. It's very flimsy, you know. You put stuff in there, you just, I don't know. I personally don't use this. So this bag has a one zipper zip around, just once. Has a handle right here, okay? So that's a Lancome. Now, Estee Lauder is a little bit different. In the beginning, when you buy this, you also need to spend, hold on, let me show you guys. You also need to spend $45 first before you can buy this for $75. So it's exactly the same format like Lancome, but the value is up to $550, $100 more. But this one, you get 9 full-size items plus deluxe travel sizes. So I think that's the reason why the price is a little bit higher. And some of the item in here, the individual price is a little bit higher than Lancome. So you are getting more value in Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder is definitely more focused on colors. You get 2 palettes, 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 lipstick, and 1 mascara. Versus Lancome, you only get 1 face palette, 1 mascara, 1 lipstick, and the eyelash primer things. So they are more focused on that area. So it depends on what you like. If you want color, this may be better for you. And then in terms of skincare goes, I love the idea that they are giving you full-size advanced night repair, and then the eye cream, full size. And then on top of that, they give you the travel size. So that's really great because you can travel those. Same thing for the moisturizer. You get a full-size moisturizer, but you also get a travel size moisturizer. So I think in total value, say the point of view, this is a better deal. Right now, Lauder changed their strategy. You don't need to spend $45 anymore. You can just buy any Estee Lauder product, then you can buy $75. So I think that alone make a big difference between the Lauder one and the Lancome one. I also have been using the Advanced Night Repair for a long time now. I mean, when I say for a long time, is that I bought this actually last year for their Blockbuster, and I've been using this on and off. It was just okay for me. I know Overnight Repair and Genifique, it's like the iconic product for the brand, but for me, I just don't see much on my skin at all, and I really don't know why. I like the texture, I like the smoothness, I like the smell, but I don't see much difference on my skin. What I pay this again, For the full price, I probably won't. But if I see a good deal like this, would I get it? Yeah, because this is over $550. I think this is a better deal in terms of value, number of the product you receive. So both sets, they give you the moisturizers SPF 15, and they give you 2 serum, one for eye, one for face, and 2 eye makeup remover. So I mean, I don't know. What do you think? Which one is better? Which one would you try? Or do you already have this too? And let us know which one do you like the best. So if you're gonna ask me personally, which one I think the value-wise, Lauder one is better because a couple of things. You don't need to spend $45 and you can buy it for $75. And then the actual value is $100 bigger than the Lancome one. And then there's another thing here. I think that let me show you. Again, I don't think I'm going to use the bag. The little bit different about this bag is it has a little bag charm. And then the zipper is 2 zipper wrap around. So it's actually easier to open. So I think that alone, the bag design, the case design is a little bit better than the Lancome one. But this is more like a fabric material. And this is more like a full leather material. So it depends what you like, you know. I think I like the design of this better, like a star. And this one just looks a little bit old school, I think. But the actual zipper part, I do like. So yeah, so that's my feedback. This is the best time to try their product without spending a lot of money. And then, like I said, you know, one of this is cost more than the whole item right here. So the value is definitely there. And if you want to try either Lancome or Lauder, this is the best time to try. Alright, so I just want to share this with you. Let me know what you think about today's video. And yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Love you all. Bye.